People who like to wash their underwear and socks by hand can buy a folding washing machine. The clothes will be washed in 10 minutes. Just fold it up when not in use. With this, you never imagined that you could clean it so cleanly. This earmuff can be used as new again. Don't miss this kind of good stuff when you get it. If your pots and pans are broken, don't throw them away. Try this. You don't know yet, the sockets in the kitchen can be installed with this kind of track type. They can be installed on the surface or installed. The sockets can be moved. You can install as many as you want. Many of my friends have taken a fancy to our mother's stand. It can be hung on the wall. Just tear it apart and stick it to the appropriate position and hang it up. At the same time, you can put 3 pieces of mother's cloth under it, and you can also put the bottom connector of the sea wipes.